Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to align grids automatically in Revit using a Dynamo script. Manual grid alignment can be time consuming, especially in large projects. This method helps save time and improve accuracy. This video is useful for BIM and MEP engineers who want to automate repetitive tasks. Let's get started. First, open your projects and ensure that grids are visible. In this example, you can see the grid bubbles are aligned on the right and bottom side of the project. However, I want to align them to the left side and top. If you try to adjust each grid manually, it will takes significant amount of time. Okay, to reduce this effort, we can use Dynamo for automation. Just go to manage and select Dynamo. After that, load the required Dynamo script. So here new custom node open. So I have already created Dynamo program. So I'm going to open the program. So in this Dynamo, I have used categories, all elements of category, and a Python script. Simple. Once the script is opened, it will look like this. Now I have set the execution mode to manual and I will run the script. See, this is my grids and this is my Dynamo script. If I run the Dynamo script, see, as you can see, the grid bubbles are automatically aligned from right to left and from bottom to top within a few seconds. So this script helps reduce manual work, saves time, and improve overall model quality. If you want this Dynamo script, I will place the link in description. Go and download this for education purpose. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more Revit videos and Dynamo scripts. Thank you.